Warns taxpayers that they may receive smaller refunds this year with the absence of pandemic relief, the increased child tax credit, and many other tax law changes. Many taxpayers may be impacted. And joining us now is CPA Kimberly Washington to break it all down for us.
Yes.
Kim, as always, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, Kim, explain to us how taxpayers may be impacted by the tax law changes.
Right. So a lot of different tax law changes, especially as it relates to your tax credits. When it comes to the child tax credit, the earned income tax credit, those credits have been reduced. And also, of course, pandemic relief has also been eliminated from the 2022 tax return. So you definitely want to make sure that you take advantage of what tax credits that may be available to you to make certain that your tax refund is not reduced to the lowest amount possible.
Now, Kim, what steps can taxpayers take to ensure that they aren't owing any taxes?
Right. So when it comes to your taxes, of course, you want to make sure that you're either breaking even and you're not paying a lot of taxes at tax time. And some of the steps you can take at this time is, number one, taking time out to really review your tax return, especially from last year. And you want to make certain throughout the year, even this year, that you're paying enough taxes throughout the year. You can make changes to your withholding or estimated taxes paid. You can use the calculator on irs.gov website. It's a really cool resource and it works very well. So I encourage you very much, rather, to make certain that you visit the irs.gov to take advantage of that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
Now, along with that, if someone is an employee,
Yes.
what should they know?
Right. So if you're an employee, there are a couple of different steps that you can take at this time. The first thing you want to take, of course, is available different employee benefits that may be available to you. So if your job offers health savings accounts, flexible spending accounts, 401ks, those can actually reduce your tax liability. So do not leave that free money on the table because, of course, it can help you at tax time.
Oh, that's a big one. Now,
Yes.
Kim, finally, what other steps can taxpayers take?
So remember, April 18th, April 15th, both days come around every year. So some of the things you want to do throughout the year is tax planning. So don't wait until April to start doing your tax planning. You want to start taking steps throughout the year. Some things that you can also do too at this time is make sure that you're reviewing your tax return and determine whether or not you qualify for disaster relief. If you were impacted by hurricanes or floods or whatever the case may be, you may be able to take it as a deduction on your tax return. So definitely speak with a tax professional. Make sure you're taking advantage of whatever is due to you at this time so that you can get the best refund, of course, or the lowest amount available when you file your taxes this year.
Looking on the ground because just keep dropping gems. Keep dropping gems. As always, Kimberly Washington, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Appreciate it.
much. Thank